In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a NAV menu to a hamburger menu in Wix Studio. To get started, open your site in the Wix Studio editor, so you can work directly on the page where your navigation menu appears. Once your site is loaded, look for the navigation menu right on your canvas. This is the menu visitors currently use to move around your site. Whether it appears horizontally across the top or vertically along the side, click directly on that navigation menu to open its context menu. This gives you access to the controls specifically related to that element. Make sure you are selecting the actual menu itself on the canvas, not just the header section around it, because the menu settings only appear when the navigation element is selected. Next, open the layout options by clicking the layout icon in the floating toolbar. This icon usually looks like a small grid or a simple arrangement of squares. When you click it, you will see different ways your navigation can be displayed. From those layout options, choose Hamburger. As soon as you select it, your existing horizontal or vertical navigation menu will collapse into a hamburger icon. This is especially useful if you want a cleaner, more compact look, or if you are designing for smaller screens where space is limited. After that, go to the Displays drop-down and choose the style you prefer. Depending on your design, you can select text only, text and icon, or icon only. Pick the option that fits the look and feel of your site. If you want something minimal, icon only works well. If you want a little more clarity for users, text and icon can be a good balance. The best choice depends on your branding and how obvious you want the menu trigger to be. Now, keep in mind that Wix Studio uses responsive breakpoints, which means your site can have different layouts for desktop, tablet, and mobile. This gives you a lot of flexibility. For example, you might want to keep a traditional navigation bar on larger desktop screens, but switch to a hamburger menu on tablet and mobile for a more streamlined experience. To do that, select the breakpoint you want at the top of your screen, such as desktop, tablet, or mobile, and then repeat the same process for each one. This allows you to customize how the navigation behaves on different screen sizes without affecting every version in the same way. Once you've finished adjusting your breakpoints, review the menu on each screen size to make sure it looks clean and functions the way you want. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.